In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check performance in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Then, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Campaigns tab is selected. Then, click and expand the Campaigns option from the list. Then look for the Ads option from the dropdown and click on it. Then, scroll down and look for the campaign you want to check performance on. Then on the top bar of the campaigns list, you'll see the Reports button. Click on it. Then hover over the Performance Summary option. Select a campaign or ad group as you want. You can also change this later, so no problem with which you choose. Now you can see the performance of your ad group here. You can click and drag the bar below the ad group to see all the details of your ad group. You can also see the performance of your campaign ad as a whole by clicking on the Ad Group Performance dropdown and choosing Campaign Performance from the Performance Summary dropdown. This is how you check and analyze performance in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.